Hello everybody. In this video, I will explain the purpose and objects of a program. For this main program, the purpose is to change the first 1/3 part to negative colors. So the direct object is picture. I define a picture named Troy and assigned it as new picture. The address is file name, so I have to tell computer that what's file name. File name is an address, so the type is string type. We use this code to pick any picture in the computer and locate the address to file name. So now computer know that the object Troy is a picture. We can ask Troy to do some action like explore to show itself, and our purpose is ask Troy to change the color. So we ask Troy to call the method negative to change the color, and the method negative have two parameters, start one and end one. So we define the start one and assign the value 0 to it. Also we define the end one and assign 1/3 of the length of pixel array to it. Now here computer have a question, what's pixel array? So we have to define pixel array. Here pixel array is the second type of object. It's the type of it's a pixel array, and we assign this value to pixel array. It's the picture tries pixel to pixel array. So in this program now we have two objects. The first one is try. The type is picture. The second one is pixel array. The type is pixel array. Now, after we run this program, then we can have the original. We will show the original picture and show the after picture. We can see 1/3 part of the picture turns negative colors, like the white turns black and blue turns orange. Now let's turn to the method negative. In this method, the purpose is to change some pixels of this picture to negative colors. So the direct object is pixels. It's pixel. So we define a pixel named pix and assigned the value now to it, and later we'll assign this pixel the value of a different position of the pixel area. Pixel array. So because we use pixel array, so we have to define the pixel array. Define pixel array and assign the value of pixel array. So here in this program we have three types of objects. The first one is pix, and the second one is pixel array, and the third one is this object. The type of this object is the class name picture. So this is a picture. In the main program object try call negative method. So when you call the method negative, this is the picture try. That's all. Thank you.